Hello. So today craft period we are going to learn to use some waste material. Okay. So what is that waste material? See, I have these all bottles. Okay. What we do this after finished liquid, we used to throw it, right? So instead of throwing this, we can reuse. Okay. And now this is need. We must recycle these all things. We should give artistic effect to this all waste plastic and reuse it. Okay. So we are going to learn this only on these all bottles. You collect these all bottles from your house and try to paint it and use it for different purpose. For example, here I put one plant in this, so I'm going to decorate this one. Okay, see, with different texture, different techniques and different color schemes we'll use, it's look very nice. Okay, so students, you start collecting this type of plastic bottles from your house. Don't throw these all things, collect it, and when you will get time you will complete these articles. Okay, so let's start now. Here I am making coloring on this. Okay, so what I will do here, little texture work first. I complete one base. See, already I have started. See, here I am applying color this way. With this you will get one different texture. Instead of using flat brushing, I am using this way. For this you can even use sponge. Okay, here I started using light shade of blue. Okay, so here dark to light you will get, that looks very nice. So this way base first you will complete. See, okay, more lighter. So I'll add more white in this and then we'll get more lighter. So this way you have to complete light to dark. See, after coloring even you will not able to guess what bottle it was. Brush bottle it was, but after coloring it will look different. More lighter I am using upside. Your lecture series are started, right? So for relaxation, when you will get time, you will do your craft work. Don't waste your time. See, I have to take care my plant should not color. First you should decorate and then you should put plant, but already it was ready with me, so I am doing on that only. You also will get idea after coloring plant how it will look on that. See, I covered it full, right? Now what we have to do, see, with different techniques you can decorate your this pot. So I am going to do some line work on this. You can stick sequence, okay, if you have, or you can do jute work, or here I will use some brush technique only. See, I have white color now, and I'm going to paint some flower on this. With simple technique. Just touch brush hairs on the pot. See, like this, from all side. Now we don't have time, so immediately I started work, but you have to wait. After try only you start this. Okay, here I'll show again. Just touch hairs, you will get nice petal shape. You will take big number brush, then big flower you will get. See, like small flowers I'll do. If you have 3D markers, you can put black outline or color outline all over to the flowers, or you can make design with your 3D marker. It will complete change. Nobody can able to guess it is a Chyawanprash bottle after decoration. And this only we have to learn. A waste material, how to use, you have to learn. It depend on you how many you want to draw flowers. Here below I will draw little small flowers. That's look nice. Variation in this size also looks nice. Okay, I feel it's enough now. Uneven I did, right? Here I draw one more. Here I'll paint. See, always when you will do coloring, you must do in light, medium, dark, darkest, then it looks nice. So here I am using little dark color with black mixing. Dark blue I am taking to make middle dots and little black. Okay, and I'll put dots in middle. See, like this. Like this you will complete in all. 1, 2, that's up to you. In the center, if you have any golden silver sequence, you can stick in middle. Whatever material is available with us, that we have to use. That's our creativity. No need to buy material from the shop. You will get many best things in the house. Use those things. Now I am going to do little linear work. Okay, with pointed brush. Now what I'll do, with pointed brush and little dark blue, I'll do rhythmic line on this. Okay, see. It's not black, it's a dark blue. Okay, so with dark blue I am doing these things, this detailing. Nothing, just round lines. If you have idea about some design, you can do that. So easily you can do this design. See, not necessary that this rhythmic line only you will do. Whatever you feel easy, you can do it. But I will draw many lines here below. Maximum work I will do in the base. So all are rhythmic lines. See, so nice. So it's up to you, according to your time. You have to draw lines, design you will select. Okay, if I'll get some sequence, I will try to decorate more, means in the middle I will put those sequence. That looks nice. See, you will see now full picture. Plant, how nice it's looking. It's a wet, so I cannot hold it properly. Yeah. Right? So do it.